Imagine building a complete full-stack website without writing complex code in just a few minutes. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in 2026, AI has completely changed the game. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or even a developer, there are AI tools that can literally build your entire website from just a simple prompt. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best AI tools for full-stack website building, including tools you can even use from your phone. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one is insanely powerful. 1. Lovable AI. Starting off with number 1, Lovable AI. Lovable is one of the most advanced AI website builders right now. You just describe what you want, like create a modern SaaS dashboard with authentication and database, and boom, it generates a complete full-stack app for you. We're talking about front-end, UI, back-end logic, database setup, even authentication system. This tool is perfect for startup founders, indie hackers, anyone who wants to launch fast. The best part? It feels like you're talking to a developer, not a machine. 2. Durable AI. Coming in at number 2, Durable AI. Now this one is perfect if you're using a phone or if you're a complete beginner. Durable can generate a full business website in under 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. You just enter your business type, your name, and it creates website design, content images, contact forms. Plus, it even includes hosting and domain options. If you want something quick, simple, and mobile-friendly, Durable AI is a solid choice. 3. Framer AI. Number 3. Framer AI. Framer is all about design and user experience. If you want a beautiful, modern, high-converting website, this is the tool for you. You just type a prompt like, create a dark-themed portfolio for a web developer, and it generates stunning layouts, smooth animations, clean UI. It's perfect for portfolio websites, landing pages, personal brands. But keep in mind, it focuses more on front-end than back-end. 4. GitHub Copilot. Number 4. GitHub Copilot. Now this is for developers who want AI to assist them while coding. GitHub Copilot acts like your personal coding assistant. It can suggest code in real time, write back-end logic, help with APIs, even fix bugs. So instead of writing everything manually, you can build full-stack apps way faster. If you already know some coding, this tool can literally 2 times or 3 times your productivity. 5. Replit AI. Finally, number 5. Replit AI. This is one of the most powerful and flexible AI tools out there. With Replit AI, you can build full-stack apps in your browser, run code instantly, use AI to generate and fix code, and the best part? You can even use it from your phone. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced developer, Replit AI gives you everything in one place. So yeah, these are the top 5 best AI tools for full-stack website builders in 2026. Each tool has its own strength. Lovable for full automation, Durable for beginners, Framer for design, Copilot for developers, Replit for flexibility. Now I want to know, which one are you going to try? Drop your answer in the comments, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.